Understanding on time in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a commonly used English phrase, on time. You've probably heard it many times, and maybe you've even used it. But what does it really mean and when should you use it? Let's find out. The phrase, on time, generally means that something is happening or someone is arriving at the scheduled or expected time. When something is on time, it's neither early nor late. For example, if a meeting is scheduled for 10 a.m. and it starts exactly at 10 a.m., then the meeting started on time. We often use on time in various contexts in our daily life. Here are a few examples. 1. Trains and buses. The train is always on time. 2. Appointments and meetings. I always try to be on time for my doctor's appointments. 3. Events. The concert will start on time, so don't be late. While on time and in time might sound similar, they have distinct differences. On time refers to doing something at the scheduled time. Example, the class starts at 9 a.m. and you arrive exactly at 9 a.m. You are on time. In time means doing something before a deadline or before it's too late. Example, you need to submit a project by Friday. If you submit it on Thursday, you did it in time. It's easy to confuse on time with other phrases. One common mistake is on the time. This is incorrect. We don't need the here. It should be just on time. And there we have it. I hope this explanation helps clarify the meaning and usage of on time. Remember, language is all about practice, so try to use on time in your conversations and writings. Until next time, keep learning and practicing.